Assalamu alaikum. So hi guys, it's me Waseem. You are watching Waseem Techy. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you guys that how we can apply for TikTok fund creator program and how we can start earning from TikTok. Not just this, but in this video I will be also showing you guys that how we can apply. Suppose if you are not in an eligible country such as UK, USA, where TikTok fund creator program is being supported. So in that case, if you are not living in this country, basically how you can still earn from TikTok. And not just this, in this video we will be also covering up some other things about TikTok. And guys, this is a step-by-step guide that how we can apply for TikTok fund creator program and how we can start earning from TikTok. So let's go. Alright guys, so let's talk about TikTok requirements in order to apply for fund creator program. So guys, obviously first of all you must have 10,000 followers, you must be 18 years old, 100,000 views in last 30 days, and obviously should be located in eligible countries where fund creator program is being offered. Okay, so guys, let's go step by step and see how we can apply for TikTok fund creator program. So guys, once you have met this criteria, simply go to your TikTok profile, and after that click on those three lines and simply go to fund creator tools. And first of all guys, in order to make sure that you have 100,000 views, simply you can go in the analytics section, and after there simply you can apply the filter and you can see in last 30 days if you have 100,000 views or not. As you can see that here I'm trying to arrange the dates from 22 December to 22 January. Obviously this is a bit older screen recording. So in the analytics guys, it wasn't showing to me that I have 100,000 views, but obviously if I go to fund creator program where we can basically apply for it, there you can see that guys, I met with all the criteria. For example, I'm 18 plus, I have 10,000 followers, and I have 100,000 views in last 30 days. Once you are good to go with this, simply click on I agree, and after that simply click on apply, and it will ask you to verify your identity, your date of birth, that you are over 18, because TikTok fund creator program is only for 18 plus. So once you are here, you guys will be redirected to a different page. You will come out of TikTok in a web browser on somewhere else. Okay, and here you will be asked to verify your date of birth. So simply you need to give your also identity documents as well, because yeah, they do ask for a proper verification document. And here guys, I would like to tell you guys one thing, that you can't give a document where for example, if I'm applying from UK, so I must give a document from UK. For example, UK driving license, UK BRP, something, an ID which is from UK. I can't use my Pakistani passport to verify my identity. Yes, they will do verify, but they will kick me out of fund creator program by saying that it's an ineligible country. You are not in an eligible country where TikTok fund creator program is being offered. So make sure that when you apply for fund creator program, provide an ID document from UK, USA, where the TikTok fund creator program is being offered. Because the same thing happened with me guys when I applied for the first time for my friend on his TikTok when he completed. So on that time we gave Pakistani passport for verification, and guess what, later on we got an error. It says invalid entry, and we talked with support team of TikTok, and they said that we can't you can't apply for fund creator program because you have given an ID from a country where the fund creator program is not being supported. So make sure that to use an ID from UK, US, where fund creator program is being supported. Okay guys, so once you are done adding your details, simply select a document type. In my case, I have selected a passport, and after that it will ask you that if you would like to take a picture or you want to upload a file from your gallery. So guys, I will recommend you guys to upload, first capture it with your camera and after that upload it, because sometimes when you take a photo directly with the camera and you upload it, sometimes it just kind of glitches, or I don't know what happens, and it just doesn't verify it. So I will recommend you guys to first click the photo and after that upload from the gallery. It makes the verification much easier. And guys, it only takes 5 to 10 minutes and you will get an email that congratulations, your ID has been successful. So no worries, this error sometimes comes, you can just close the app and you can go back in TikTok. And in my case, as you can see, that I opened the TikTok, I went to creator tools, then I clicked on the monetization page, and you can see that it says under review. So guys, basically just they take 5 to 10 minutes, maximum 5 to 10 minutes, and you will get an email saying that congratulations, your ID has been verified and you are like approved for fund creator program. So this is the whole process, guys, how it works. I have showed you in this video. Now guys, let's talk about if you are not in an eligible country. Suppose you are not living in UK or USA, but you meet with all the criteria. So how do you can apply in that, in this case? So guys, suppose if you are any friend of your or any family member is living in UK, USA, anywhere in the country where fund creator program is being supported. So basically guys, what you can do is simply give them the logins and ask them to verify. I mean, just they have to give their ID, because remember guys, again, that you can't give an ID from a country where TikTok fund creator program is not being supported. So don't do that, because you will get an error called invalid country and you might have to wait 1 to 2 months to reapply again. So yeah, so if you are any friend or any family member is living in abroad, simply you can give them your TikTok logins and ask them to use any of their identity document and verify for you. This will be perfect, and this is how you can simply earn from TikTok as well. So this is how this all works. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in next video. Till then, bye bye guys, and take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.